Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
Hey, I gotta call you back in a minute. Just went live. Okay. Okay. Bye. Thanks. Hello, hello, YouTube. What's going on? Yo. What's up, Kimba gang? Always. We didn't get the switch in Twitch. Yeah. What's going on? Yo, Kachoya. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Thursday. Happy. We're here. We're here. Little technical hiccups, but we Gucci. Who juicing? Who juicing? We got that sweep the other day. We were kind of talking about that, weren't we? Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kimba Gang always over there in the YouTube representing is the only one that saw the intro this morning. I know, for real, Coke Zero. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? Shout outs PSG. Shout outs Damon, Coke Zero, Nexus, Jedi's Kirk. Joker, let's go. Bud Fox. Nala. Jingao. Crypto Craze. Nitrogen. Shots calling noob. Bergix. SML. Whoopee. Let's go. Crypto Craze. Jingao. I'm Sin. Maestro. Congrats, brother. Pedro Pimenta. Good morning, T Greeny, Jedi's Kirk, Joker, Riraru. Happy 420. Hey, thank you for the gift sub. J-Bucks, Gonzaz, Rebo, let's go. And Buzzcree. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hannah Montana, I see you. Lua Bambua. Let's go, Bumbule. Vladimir. Chab Superstar. Let's get it. Operator. Flasky. Yeah. Oh, Samvala. Samvala, are we going to go for the clean? We're going to go for the clean? Are we going to go for some music? At least something. Let's go. Get a little bit of chill vibes to start out our Thursday. How's our numbers looking? First unemployment of the year, isn't it? Coming in cool. How about that? What you guys thinking? How's this week been going? That KIMBA DM nasty. Yeah, how's that position? That thing was a juice, wasn't it? Can you even hear the music? Let's go, Koza. Thank you for the resub. Yeah. I would just get the boot. That's what I was scared was happening when I didn't get the Switch this morning. Yeah, it's coming soon, though. It's coming soon. Definitely keep an eye out. That thing popped up out of the blue yesterday, didn't it? That was juicy. Oh wait, that was Tuesday, wasn't it? And over the weekend too. Little testing, test net. I'm trying to make all my sound work. I was having some issues this morning. Hi world, how we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Oh my gosh, this background on my computer is so bright. It's fucking dope. Let's get it. Dude, I'm with you. It is dope. Let's go, Devov. Insistence, how you doing? 618, let's go. 618 insistence, let's go. It's not the resistance, it's the insistence. Let's fucking go. 618, let's go, JV, JPX. Ace, how we doing? It's not the resistance, it's the insistence. What's up, dawg, man? Oh, wee, he juicing. Shout outs Coke Zero. Let's go. Let's go. Shout outs Coke Zero. Let's go. Thank you, Coke Zero. Big shout outs to Coke Zero. Hey, if you were just blessed by a sub, thank you, man. Coke Zero. He juicing. Spread the love. Yeah, he does not have to do that. Yeah, but he juicing, sharing the love with the community. So make sure you thank your man. Yeah, that's huge. Supporters like him really keep the channel running. Yeah. And shout outs to PSG. Putting the work in. Helping people find their confidence, find their way to make trading a successful endeavor. Yeah, it's not helping them, they help themselves, and really the Lions work together in that journey. Nerding out. Shout outs to CoinWise helping to nerd out. Shout outs to the KIMBA Discord, exclamation Discord. exclamation dashboard, and we have a new trading competition out. Check out that new space trading competition. I think it's exclamation KOJ, but it's pinned. It's pinned. Shoutouts Cage. Shoutouts Housty. Shoutouts to the whole team. Shoutouts to Buzz and Cyper and Chauncey, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Shoutouts Mandalo. Shoutouts Dev Team. Shoutouts to everybody that celebrated Christmas yesterday. Merry Christmas. Hope you all enjoyed, had a great holiday. Markets did not have a holiday. There we go, now I can hear it a little bit better. It's probably gonna blast for you though. Let's go, Dog 3000. You're joining your boy Dogman. Nam God, shout out to Nam God. Let's go, Tia Goog. Yeah, you're probably getting double. There we go. Big cheers, insistence. Lapede. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Who juicing? I know Coke Zero juicing. I know PSG juicing. Damon juicing. Happy 420 juicing. Nexus. Mark. Good morning. Karoon. Raptorist. I think I shouted out everybody so far. Let's go Indo Lion. Good morning. Shoutouts over there in YouTube. Indo Lion and Ash. Good morning. You didn't miss the 15-second TA. I did my 15 minutes of intros. When market's opening a daily close. What do you mean, Pascal? Yeah, happy to run through that. I'm gonna get a prediction up on the Twitch. Accelerator, good morning. How we doing? Let's go. Let's go. Welcome. Ash, how we doing? Happy New Year to everyone. Superman, let's go. J-Sucks, let's go. ResQQ, let's get it. Yeah, I see you over in the Discord. Let's go. Yeah, we had a cool New Year's party in Discord too. That was fun. It had been a minute since I've been able to make time, but that celebrating the New Year's with the PSG gang was dope. It was dope. Okay. Let's hit the charts. Well, we got shorts and logs coming in hot. Yeah, longs. Some longs are underwater. Yeah, since up here. So from right here, right before the open, we had some longs coming in. And yeah, I mean, we're pressing against the lows, so you got quite a bit underwater. It looks like. I mean, that's just here. Shout outs to CoinWise. It's the longs and shorts indicator. Over 300 million in longs underwater. That's pretty cool. A lot of shorts into the lows, but if it's OI going up, shorts going up, price going down, and spot CVD not doing a whole lot of bullish things. It's kind of a dip on the smaller time frame for CVD. Yeah, I'll pull up XO in a minute. Exclamation XO. You can see 4 different exchanges order flow on our YouTube channel. Let's go, Buzz. I love seeing all of this PSG in the chat. Let's go. Yeah, PSG is the real ones. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, it's just flashing. Shining bright. There's our daily time frame. And in comes the hot mess. Yeah, let's get that cleaner chart that we had the other day. I think this is the one. Was it? Yeah, structurally, we looked at that, but we were more concerned with this sweep right here. This sweep right here. Yeah, and then it had the retest. Yeah, this is still interesting all the way up to here, and this is a major level right up here. Really, this zone from the bottom of the box to the 98 to 99. But we're not heading in that direction currently. Yeah, pull back. It's nice on the clean chart. Look at that. We managed to close outside value barely after wicking in it, but then on testing outside once again, accepting back inside, possibly looking down to the point of control, at least the HVN. Yeah, you don't hear me talking about HVNs too much, but trying to like talk about it a little bit more. Yeah, that's pretty interesting if you do a fib on it. You know, right below the golden pocket. There is an argument to be made for it front running all of that. Yeah, if you pull in order blocks, in one of the time frames, this is an order block. Yeah, you can maybe say that this candle low before the high. Or low that brought the high. And maybe clean this inefficiency right here. But it already kind of was cleaned by this candle. I really tried to break it. Well, it came in, rejected a previous day value on Tuesday. Tuesday's value, rejected that yesterday, came back inside and just like retraced to fill single prints and all this zone up. And 90 was an important level, accepting below really I think 89.2 where this box was originally. It's gonna start to look a little bit not as good, like it's going to potentially try to make a run for the 86K lows. You're so long. You went long and put stop loss under 128.5. Okay, we'll take a look at Sol. Taking profit. Let's go. Yeah, give me a second. I'll pull up ETH too. Trying to TA Bitcoin first. Yeah, we haven't made any substantial liquidity sweeps aside from kind of cleaning this. And there's a CME gap that we still haven't filled yet. I don't think. It wasn't filled Yeah. Oh, yeah, we filled this one last night, but the this one potentially could be revisited all the way back to the yearly open. We could at least test it. And that's interesting because this clean right here is like so close to being pixel perfect. Right there. Yeah, and it wasn't a clean on this candle. That was a dip the tip on the open. And we got RTH coming up. So be trading into the gap. Huge gap up. We'll be opening up somewhere down here. Smack between gaps. And how about ES? 7K. That was juice, wasn't it? We knew it was coming sometime. Let's go, Hersadad. Let's go the way it is. Thank you for the resub. 36 months, you got your ninja. Let's go. Let's go Happy. Let's go Wrong Person. Lux Slayer. Today will be big. Latisse. So Guru. Yeah, without even looking at the chart, TD. No, TD. You can open up in a gap during ETH. Yeah, or if it's like, but when RTH opens back up, then you're gonna have the gap in whichever direction it went from the previous settlement. Let's go Gucci Romo. Yeah, ES. Taking 7K. And as usual, you know, very, very frequently, this has been the story. That was the previous high, wicked it, held structure, had that second push. That's your CVD, RSI. Yeah, exaggerated, bearish. And then just failed back under that previous high. Right there. Yeah, growth structure. Single print, down, gonna gap down. Yeah, single print below. Maybe that'll hold. We kind of already like had that story. And there is some time. We got CPI next Tuesday. Who's gonna be here with me on CPI Tuesday? Help me, S&P, help me. Yeah, this is one of the scenarios we were kind of tossing out there. S&P is at all-time highs and Bitcoin is like kind of in the range lows. What happens if S&P pulls back? You got a plan. Okay. Hey, but we've had some juicy little moves. Like Tuesday was juice. You get that little clean. With the sweep. ETH bad highs. I mean, that was like horrible. failed auction above 4 hour. Yeah, I couldn't even take those highs. But fibs wise, I think it was the 786. Oh, we got 4 minutes. Looks like some Vala. Oh, it's 7.5. ETH loves that 786. Ooh wee. Yeah, we'll look at your soul in a second. Help me. There's your clean. Is it gonna be a sweep or are we gonna go for this low now? It's not that bad of a low. We gotta keep our eyes on that. Definitely the next 30 minutes will be telling. Yeah. RTH opening up. Let's go the way it is. Let's go Soguru. 31 months. Thank you for the resub. Let's go Hersadad. 27 months. Let's go. OG Lion finally. Juicing. Shout out Calling Noob. Yeah, that high was good on Bitcoin. It's not the best, but it was a good high. It had a lot of top longs. We got enough time to check order flow really, really fast before market opens. We'll see the market open and then we'll go over to your soul. TDEW. Excuse me. Excuse me. It hijacked me. Hijacked me. It sniped me. Yeah, some shorts are closing out in that sweep right there. A little bit. There are no shorts underwater from here because the price is lower than everything. How about for the whole move, it was like mostly responsible shorting. And then we had some longs coming in from up here. But it's not that much. It's only like 20 million. And let's look at our CVD. So, hidden. We'll look at boot gammas in a minute. Ding, 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 ding. Gap down. Yeah, maybe it makes a run for monthly VWAP in this gap right here. Close the gap and just like wick VWAP and through the gap, get a close. Even if it's on the initial balance the first hour, that wouldn't be that bad. That low is not super great, but it's not that bad either. Yeah, we'll look at boot gammas shortly. We had multiple single prints coming into the lows off of that high yesterday afternoon, which is those stack singles are not really the greatest sign for bullish momentum if they are on a sell-off. And then over here in CME, Bitcoins, nice little gap down. That's like almost a $2,000 gap, $1,800. I don't know, I don't have to speculate because shout outs to CoinWise. It can tell us all by itself. Where's the table? Top right. Exclamation CoinWise. $1,670 bearish gap. And we have only filled it 0.3%. Two bearish gaps the past 2 days. Yeah, it's cool for a reference. I don't like it on the chart the whole time. My charts are busy enough as it is. Far too busy, really. Start getting some trading inside. It's looking better. Get above settlement, and that's December settlement. That'll look a lot better for closing the gap and potentially taking out this set of weak highs through there. Yeah, and right there, I can imagine if it makes it here, there's going to be quite a bit of resistance with the consolidation. Value area low, point of controls for volume and time. Previous day VWAP, yearly open, all of these things, MPDEQ, like it's like tons and tons of confluence up there for it to potentially be resistance, maybe a take profit target, maybe looking for some sort of structure or reaction for adding or considering a short. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm just anticipating where the market may react. There's my order blocks. It's gonna take a minute. How's that? Wicking outside. You've got that order block down here. So no significant order blocks otherwise in RTH. And then that order block right here, right around that settlement zone that we were talking about. And that's daily value area high, close back inside value in this TPO value, looking better. Get above point of control, VWAP. There's a whole lot of things in our path for bullish momentum. Let's go A's, 27 months. Thank you for the resub. Yeah, if you don't get a bounce, you get a retest the yearly open. I think so too. Yeah, and I'm not going to get too excited off at the first 5 minutes of market open. But was that a green candle? 5 minutes. Yep. So, shout outs to the bulls that predicted. Let's go Aurum. Liskina, not going that deep is, in theory, better. In theory, better. But what you have is this, we haven't changed structure yet. I mean, even the 5 minute, you want to at least make a higher high and a higher low. Right now you have lower high, lower low, lower high. Yeah, that is a lower low. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You need to change structure before you even start thinking about a long asset selling off, as you have shorts coming in. As you have longs that are hella underwater. At least that's my perception of price action right now. But stick to your plan. Don't let me talk you out of something. I like lower myself, but if you had the confluence, this is where you want it to bounce. Like ideally you wanted it to bounce up here to maintain the momentum in the structure. Like maybe a failed auction here, but they fail back under. Yeah, if it had held that little retest right here, that would have been a lot better. But it wasn't in the cards. I need to do some New Year's cleaning because god damn, these charts are fucking annoying right now. Yeah, there's a lot of things above us. A lot of things above us that are resistance in our path, and a lot of targets the market may be looking at, even if it's gonna bounce a little bit below us. But you really needed to hold the 91 zone. We kind of really did. Yeah, you had a swing fail on high time frame of the month and a half, 2 month consolidation, and falling right back inside as S&P swing failed its all-time high. Yeah, Anchor VWAPs and Fibs. Yeah, Fibs, like, it's not the top of my list, but it is part of it. Let's go, Ron Person. Insistence, you're in 100 Bitcoin long right now. Hey. Stops in profit, I hope. Or stops at break even. Wait, did you just enter or you been in one? Insistence. I would be like ecstatic for you if you have been in one. If you just entered, I would have a little bit of reservations about my enthusiasm. Do I pull Fibs on my open? I've seen KIMBA do it. Yeah. I've seen KIMBA do it. Yeah, it tripped me out the first time. Fibonacci is math in nature everywhere. Don't get me started on that. But I know PSG is a major enthusiast of... I mean, Fibonacci isn't your go-to #1 thing, hopefully anyways. It's part of the picture that you're painting to rationalize a position. Come on, fellas, you can do it. Let's go double Crypto James. You can do it. Yeah, some people are like, oh, it's a golden pocket. You know, ladder orders here. And meanwhile, you got a single print, like it's right smack in the middle of a single print or something. All right, let's see your soul. I got you. That's TDW that was asking about it, right? Yeah, I could definitely see the way it's pushing down here. It's sweeping this, at least. That's a lot of lows to leave behind, especially with this structure. Yeah, so maybe you get like a clean of the bad lows. Maybe it's a naked point of control grab. You might be okay with that 128 stop loss. If we start getting closes down here, and 131's an okay level. But if you start getting closes down there, I think that they're going to go for lower. You just got to keep an eye on S&P and Bitcoin. Yeah, because if you were to get closes down here, so like you're like, I'm not really thinking about it as much as a rounded bottom, but more like, and possibly quite a bit more. And you got yearly open down here, you got all kinds of shit down there. Substantial consolidation before the run up. And 125 is a more significant level than 130. 132. Just high time frame. 130 is your point? Yeah. Yeah, you start going back below that like previous month VWAP. It's not looking so good, and that's a bad low right there too. High tempo tunes. You guys want to get like the hype up? I was just trying to like think and warm us up. But we got market open. We've been here for 43 minutes. Well, 40 minutes because we took a minute getting started, I guess. Okay. Do you want the high tempo tunes? That's too funny. Yeah. Just wait till you see why I'm laughing. It's on shuffle. Is the vibe. No! Quit playing with me. That's not the one I wanted. Yeah, you got bad highs up here. You just got to get back inside value. So let's just see a target from really our break. This is kind of our breaking point right here, but we can even say from that open. We're losing it. We're losing it. Hey, there's your low. Yeah, we'll come back to it. It might tuck back in. Yeah, if we have time later too, there's a couple other like TradFi correlated things to look at. Sato got licked. Uh-oh. Shout out to Juicin. Poor guy. He ain't poor. It's for the lulz, you know. Let's go Who Juicin'. Exclamation Who Juicin'. Let's go Nitrogen. Sato Kachoy. Top long Kachoy. Bottom short Kachoy. We juice and let's go, Aram.
All we know is Kachoy. Market makers.
Who are you? Oh my gosh, 7.5. It almost closed it. On the daily, if you look at it on ES Futures, that's a daily gap fill.
Market long, market short. Market maker, market smash.
I'm gonna open Boo Gammas. Exclamation Boo Gamma. I'm gonna open Boo Gammas. See if there's anything of note. Oh my. What is today? Is today the 8th? Yikes. That is worth going back over to order flow really quick.
I they smoke my letters, I they concentrate. No they watch, no hater, I they elevate.
I can't make it any bigger.
Run, I they watch and wait. KIMBA gang forever.
Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Like 68.20.
Yeah. I they roll one slow, then I calculate. Entry clean, wrist tight, no mistake.
68, 68.30 maybe.
Hyenas move wild, we move with grace. I know they speak too much, I they read that tape.
And then 6900.
Building up, I they hold my faith. Back test strong, now I load that place. Mind clear, I know they chase.
Exclamation Boo Gamma.
Puff letters, silence or the chalk. KIMBA lion, I know they bark. I strike when ready, I they move like dogs. Peace in my zone, no they force my pace. Every
No
level
fill on
calm, I embrace that grace. Let's
index.
plan for the case. KIMBA in the chair,
But it did fill this gap.
Peace in my zone, no they force my pace. Every level calm, I
that's
embrace
okay.
that grace.
It's a nice reaction.
Plan for the case. KIMBA in the chair, we they own this space.
Nice reaction.
I they smoke my letters, I they concentrate. No they watch, no hater, I they elevate. Charts they run.
Previous month VWAP to the pixel.
KIMBA gang forever, no debate. We they here.
Let's go, Chexter. Thank you for the resub. 12 months. Let's go. Kachoya. Let's go, Dream Chaser. KIMBA comeback. Mark the bottom. It might. It might, and he'll be in a 115 soul position. $2 million in profit. If you know, you know. Let's go, Karoon. $500 left, enough for some sake. Do they drink that in Korea? Yes, sir. Dream Chaser, are you in Korea? You been? That's juice. Here we go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, just keep an eye on this. Was that a clean? No. Hit him with the D. Hit him with the D. Zoom out, get clean like a shaver. That chart pull back. Yeah, we really need to get back above this. Hit him with the D. That's data. Let's go, Coke Zero. What a sweep. Hit him with the D. That's a strong candle. This is looking nice.
Even if it's free, KIMBA gang live streams. Bitch, quit playing with me.
Quit playing with me. Let's go, Kozira. I'm not surprised. Let's go. Do you know what needs to happen next? Can't lose. Can't lose. Stops. Stops and profit. Stops. Break even. Risk manage. I know Coke Zero is juicing the fuck up. He's juicing so hard. He's giving out subs and things to people he doesn't even know. Let's go. Did the tip? Is that what this is gonna be? TD? Did the tip to the upside or the downside? Yeah, we got gaps all around us. Is it gonna be dip the tip that way? Because that's dipping out of the gap and back into it. Close this one. Close above settlement. I'm thinking that that's like a more substantial trigger for the long, for RTH. If we reject from here, that's not going to be as nice of a look. But you got structure, and you know CME isn't the only market. Yeah, that's looking good. Looking better. When your entry is also your lick, stop loss is my liquidation with 100x. Now you're in the 100 Bitcoin long. Let's go, Insistence. He market smashed as soon as it tucked back in. You know, you don't have to be blushing. One more down dip, TD, maybe. This is a nice RTH candle. You know they do this though. Yeah, I think that I'll feel a little better after the initial balance, but if you got in on that sweep, things are looking good. Things are looking good because you can't lose. You know, you could say right there, there's your sweep candle, there's your cleaner. Yeah. TPO good low. Starting to run into the point of controls. Just so I have it bigger for you. I like to have the split screen. Which I boot gammas maybe around the end of the initial balance, kind of as we're winding down today. I would love to just hang out all day, but I can't do it. Can't lose 89,450. Ooh wee, that's a real nice entry. He laddered through all of this. Was that your invalidation? I gotta see this on spot. only did it sweep this, it swept that, which is nice. He was going for this clean. Once it tucked back in, looking good. Yeah, and somewhere down here, potential invalidation on it. That's a big boy trade though. Blindly taking a sweep with that thesis, you have to be very aware of your risk. That's a big boy. And Coke Zero, like his name implies, is a big dog. He's a big lion. Let's go Shredded Island. Tap your daily FPG for your FPG enjoyers. Yeah. Yeah. Give you that 4-hour candle. Yeah, let's do the last market open candle, but it was a strong 4-hour. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. We were like, juice, look at this fucking candle at the highs. Look at these candles. And then it just like did that to us. But most importantly, that, which was a sweep. Juice, juice, juice. Take profit if you short the top? I hope so. I hope so, or at least like kind of like shave some as it runs back up a little. You might just, I mean, if it makes it above and starts getting closes above VWAP, I think that you probably want to be shaving a little bit off of it. Not like a little sweep, but you get a close above VWAP. And, yeah, probably. And definitely value area high. From the hustle to the top we rise. Yeah, maybe shave a little bit, just so you can like withstand maybe a little bit more run up. Turn this shit up. Is it not that loud? Let's go, insistence. Dude, it's almost the same sound as my voice. You want me to just like let you guys vibe out? Previous week open, nice. Let's go. Shoutouts CoinWise levels. Smack through that VWAP, Latisse. Somebody else just longed. Kagam. I see about 420 lions just longed, which doesn't surprise me. 69 of you got the pixel bottom. Collective profits. 69,420,000. Let's go. Let's go, Nam God. Curvies, good morning. How you doing? Exclamation. Exclamation BLOFIN. Exclamation KOJ. Check out the pin. We got the space trading competition. If you juicing, you should be juicing on that.
Can I show you, Turtle Boy?
Okay, Turtle Boy. Can you show everybody Turtle Boy? Hello, how did you get in here? Did you climb your mountain? Let's go, Bongo Dub. Let's go, Buzzo. Thank you. Kimba back? Yeah, what's up? How you doing? Kimba is... Yeah. I like totals.
I like turtles.
There you go, Housty. Say, who juicing? Yeah, green turtles, green candles, green Bugatti, green Latuche. Let's go to the balcony. All right, love you.
Mama, what are yellow things called?
Shells. Let's go. Let's go, Jingao. Yeah, I think so. Insistence. They had a late night. I know Cage did. Let's go, I'm saying. Alan, yeah, check out the competition. 10K up for grabs. Let's get it. Exclamation dashboard. Make sure you get your UIDs in and make sure that you register with Kimba's ref link because you won't be eligible if you haven't done that. Let's go, Shay's Anatomy. Good morning. How you doing? Happy New Year. Happy holidays. It's kind of nice getting a full trading weekend this week and next. Then we have Martin Luther King holiday. The 19th, markets will be closed. Insistence, I will. You know that they're driving me on some other things too, though. Yeah, it's so much work, man. I got some IRL stuff going on too. It's like hella busy, but I miss PSG, and you know I'll be back. Yeah, were you there the other night? I was able to make it in on New Year's. No, please do, Insistence, because I miss y'all. Yeah, we had some great times in there, and you guys are always juicing up. You're nerding out on shit that I don't even know. Yeah, we were chilling in there for New Year's, just kind of like BS and TA, and we were nerding out actually. Shout out to everybody that was there, having a good time. Shout out to maybe Band-Aid. He was like, "What the hell are you doing here?" Yeah, it was fun. Nerding out on New Year's, yeah. We had to get ready. Exclamation prepared. You know PSG is prepared. I know the Lions are prepared. Yes, Shay's Anatomy. Happy MFN New Year. Hey, happy to be here in front of you and so happy that you're here with us. Let's go, Shay's Anatomy. Insistence is insistent. That's right. Ambitious. Hey, just driven. Driven. You see, I got a baby. I got 2 babies. That shit's expensive. I gotta take care of my family. I gotta take care of my other families too. But I gotta take care of the Lions. Let's go. Let's go, Who Juicing. Hustle never stops. That's right. And you get more motivated the more people that are depending on you. Let's go, Andre. Let's go, Natero. Good morning. S&P, help me! Who juicing? Who juicing? Coke Zero juicing. Insistence juicing. Insistence 2 million up on a long. Coke Zero's up $420,069 on a long. You get stressed out? Yeah. Andre, don't. Yeah, I feel you. No, I don't know. I'm not saying that. I'm just bullshitting. TDW. Kimba's up, or was up, to like 2 million on his long. Yeah, we saw a little snapshot of that. You might be able to even catch it on the rewind. I don't know. But it wasn't like he was like streaming or something. He just had his position in there. They were testing it out. That's juice. You get excited about that. Help set up Addis. Can't see TPO at all. They changed Addis, I think. You gotta add in market profile TPO. Kimba's kinda back, Wandu. He's coming. Hey, PSG will definitely get up in there, but I had like an old Addis setup video from like 2 years ago or something that might be helpful. Oh my god! Yeah. Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. It's gotta be Testnet. Let's go, Cabanese. 33 months. Thank you for the resub. Let's go. Pump it. Fuck your VWAP. That's what T says. Oh my god. Coke Zero, let's go. Thank you, Coke Zero. Shout out to you, brother. He juicing! He juicing! Yeah, he juicing. 89 450, and we are at 94.50 in like 15 minutes. Let's fucking go. He juicing. Thank your man, Coke Zero. If you received a gift sub. Yep. We green and yellow, green and yellow, green and yellow. Green and green, green and green. You know what it is. Let's go. Coke ain't walking in. He's kicking in the goddamn doors. Let's go. Shout out to Coke Zero. Thank you, brother. Let's go, Damon. Let's go, J-Butts, Karoon. ES going for the gap fill. Yeah, they got it. There's a baby gap. They got it. And I think S&P did too. It looks like it should have. Almost. Almost. Their settlement. Yeah, they'll get it. Single prints are interesting though. Weekly VWAP interesting. Maybe get one of the single prints if it's gonna roll over. But this is a nice looking candle right now. And this is gonna be a strong looking initial balance. VWAP snap. Let's go, Blaine John. Rampage in the doors. Yeah, 4-hour close would be nice up there. Coke Zero says, I wouldn't be mad at that.
We don't miss this flow. From Tokyo ticks to Chicago close. We see that flush. We know the
Let's get it.
Order book gas when the dealer sells. We ain't hype. We just prep right. Every move made in the pre-light night. Power talk. That's just a spark. We already knew from the gamma chart.
Still gonna get Mandalo sessions, Shays? Yeah. Yeah, unless you guys don't think I'm yeah, bottom shorters are wrecked, Coke Zero. A lot of them. Yeah, as long as you guys want me. As long as you know, the gang is still juicing. Let's fucking go. I love it. Yeah, a lot of fun. I enjoy it. I love nerding out. CoinWise has a little something on fibs. I know that they're working on some things there. TDW. But I think PSG is a great place. They really, really grind out on fibs. They do. Exclamation Discord. Yeah, and all you juicers, if you aren't in that BLOFIN space rating competition, man, you missed your chance. No, you got plenty of time. You get enough for the next one, or if you like add to it or something. And you don't have to be trading $10,000. You don't have to be trading $10,000 positions. It's not like all that much of a threshold to enter. So even if you have like a smaller account, you're just starting out and you want to give it a try, you may be able to do pretty well. Just make sure that you don't like get reckless with it trying to win. Yeah, or like trying to be profitable this year. You know, it's a process. Manage your risk and gradually, yeah, there you go, Andre. There you go. Just practice good risk management rules, and gradually it'll grow. You get more confident as your experience increases. If you make a mistake, you won't be wiped out. That's smart. And I kind of like using, even though that's a lot of money for you, you know, it's not like a whole lot of money in general. It's like you can't even get McDonald's here for that where I live. It's hard to make a profit, yeah, but because you could do demo accounts too for no impact, but you're not going to really get the feeling of you know, a high percentage P&L or, you know, a high drawdown on your P&L like you would if it was real money. So even if it's small money, yeah, you look at your percentage instead of the profit. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard if you like take a drawdown or something and you're like, well, shit, I used to be taking like 100 Bitcoin positions and now I'm taking 1 Bitcoin position. Like, what's the point? Or something like that. Or I was trading 10K, now I'm trading $100. Like, I'm just gonna let it run for a home run. You can't think about it that way. Think about it in your percentage profit. You journal it. Shout out to CoinWise. They have a journal with all of their resources. So any of the subs that's like included. Yeah, that's juice. Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, you track your progress. If you don't, if that's not like attainable for you yet, to be able to use like one of the journaling programs, then, you know, do it manually. 1 hour, Wando. Yeah, the 15 minutes or the 30 is like the opening range, is like what I look at it. Yeah, 1 hour usually. That's kind of like the market profile standard, but there are some strategies based on like that first 15 minute especially. There's some cool ones. Yeah, it's usually standard in most of the programs. You can adjust it in CoinWise. Yep, 230 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, it's from Market Profile. It's the first place that it was described and used as a strategy. Let's go, V1. 1 hour after UTC open, yes, for like spot and other like perps and crypto, and then for RTH, that's the initial balance that I'm looking at currently. Yeah, it's not going to show the candles because I don't have it configured correctly on here on my CME futures. Yeah, but this is our initial balance currently, and we have about 15 minutes left. You guys want to you want a prediction on the 10:30 New York candle? You watched all the videos, Andre? Let's go. Does it still have market profile? I haven't opened my Addis in a minute. I've been working with a lot of CoinWise toys and XO, but I have it set up pretty juicy. Exclamation Addis. Yep. Let's go, Insistence. Yeah, Insistence. Yes. Yeah, on both of them. You don't need my help, dude. You got 100 Bitcoin long of the swing field pattern of the low, and it's validating. That's juice. Let's get it, man. But I know that you're juicing. Let's go, Insistence. Hey, shout out to Allface. Welcome. We feel you. Let's go, Allface. Shout outs to you. Hidden bearish div. Hidden is more likely to for continuation. Yeah, so it can be invalidated. It kind of played out, didn't it? You know, we got a sell off. That was like 5K. How big was that? Is it 6%? Yeah. Whole lot of juice right now, though. Yeah, it kind of played out. Trend continuation. Trends for this trend. Or if you look at it for like, I mean, it depends on what time frame you're looking at it. That's your trend, you know? Fuck's sake. Open anyway. Here's a clean one. Yeah, we had talked about that one. But I didn't draw the thing enough. That was your current trend until we make a lower low. Yeah, we got a higher high until you get a lower low. And I'm guessing that Coke Zero also was looking at the golden pocket. The golden pocket, yeah, wicking the golden pocket on 3 4-hour candles. That can't be a coincidence. That's pretty nice. 87,450. Yeah, there's a gap like down there too. But you know, you like start getting down here and you got a lot of bad lows. All this is just like abysmal. That's not good. Yeah, maybe it hits that trend line, but you don't want flat trend lines. And then that's a bad low, and that's a bad low below that. So you start getting down in like that 87,500, you're really close. You're really close to that. Like I can't see that trend line holding, especially if you start to like kind of round out down there. You might get a swing fail of that. But that's a pretty big drawdown from, you know, your 87.5 area without substantial liquidity grabbed. Yeah, and it'll probably go deeper, you know, something like that. 86 is a pretty important level, 86,000 to 86,200. Yeah, you trying to take like a 1.5% drawdown on a 10x long or something? I mean, I don't know what kind of leverage you're using. Yeah, bouncing here, you got structure. You get structure through that. Maybe like that. Yeah, because you see that. It's pretty nice. You could, yeah, I like that. I think most of the lands see that. Let's see on daily. Yeah. Yeah, the highs aren't as good on the daily, as far as like drawing our box or whatever, but for the lows it looks pretty nice. For this low, you don't cut your short. Yeah, I mean, you still needed to change structure for real. You still needed to change structure. Because how many times have we seen this and then it just like rolls over? You still need to get a higher high. You got this whole thing. You get a higher high, and then you're like maybe looking at that. Or depending on how high it goes, it might even come like that. But you sweep, you're going lower. I know, I cannot get away from having a ugly busy chart, can I? That entry was the jackpot, wasn't it? Yeah, that was nice. Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. And he's talking about this entry. Right there. Yep, Coke Zero is in right here. He's right. Like, I made that box and didn't even realize, but that's his entry. The solid white line. That's juice. That's insistence entry too. So between them, they got 200 Bitcoin long at least. I got 0.2 Bitcoin long. They call me Mandalo well. 0.2 ETH long. It's gotta be testnet. I got a demo trade going. It's 2 million SHIB long. That's PSG's entry. I know you guys were playing in that. Let's go nitrogen. 1,000 Bitcoin. That's nice. That's juicy. I'm not putting it past anybody. You never know. Some people are bullshitting. Some people legitimately are trading like that. Even if they don't know what they're doing. As you can see with some other streamers. Shout out to Juicin. Denial on the range here. You want to see something? Yeah. I think we drew it a little bit ago. Maybe it was the other day. Is that the one that I was looking at it in? Yeah, you got that confluence. You got fib confluence. You got VWAP confluence. You got a volume node right here. It's not the primary. You got structure. And then that doesn't even consider the like your daily levels in TPO. Pretty nice. Yeah, 4 hour looks Gucci. That's a nice candle.
KIMBA gang, pull the trigger, money in the air, chart spinning, racks flipping.
We just don't want this.
Squeezing kimchi out the
I mean, that's cool, but we don't want it to be like, oh, it's so juice, it's so juice. Oh.
Jerome H. Powell making history tonight. Liquidity flowing. We stacking up them racks, 6 figures turning 7. Ain't no looking back. We the market makers.
Yeah.
We run these scenes, flexing in our Bugattis, living like kings and queens. KIMBA gangs, the squad. We hustle and grind, never settling down. Ambition intertwined. Hodo on the charts, copy trade with finesse. Squeezes profits tight, put his skills to the test.
The MA 200 higher high, is it? Good morning, Tyler. Let's go. Shout out Tyler. Shout outs to NFT gang. Exclamation NFT. Is it a higher high? Not yet. Not yet. Right here. Right here. And really you want it there. If you close above that, then it is. But this is the hourly on Coinbase, so you got 32 minutes, and that's 4 hour too. Yeah. Not yet. Patience, my son.
We 10 toes down, family all in. When KIMBA sends the PSG, you know it's about to begin. Hustling on the daily, we juicing profits right.
Yeah, the IB is looking good on RTH though. Looking good. Maybe close the gap. The funny thing is though, if it closes the gap and rolls over, you got your change of structure. It still is like not that bad. It's not that bad. Let's go, Tomas. How we doing? Kim is behind Coinwise for sure. It's got to be testnet. I think he saw like-minded individuals. Whatever the case, Coinwise is juice and KIMBA is juice. So why wouldn't they work together? Exclamation Coinwise. Exclamation YouTube. Let's go, Wando. You know, I got my hands in everything, but nothing at the same time. What does that even mean? Live trade sometimes. Yeah. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling, Coke Zero. I mean, closing above that yearly, monthly settlement. That's a good sign. Even if it bounces back from previous day settlement, like that's nice. You got a single print into the gap, and you know, your initial balance closing back like beyond the 50 of the gap. And it could roll over right here, and that would be a logical pullback zone with that consolidation settlement. You got like previous day VWAP, PDQ, yearly, like all kinds of things. We were talking about that right at the beginning. But you still got this down here that you could bounce from, and quite a bit of additional confluence. Yeah, I like it. I like it. How about that? Like right to the single print, barely with the clean. It looks like equal highs. That is not a good high, by the way. I had this all fucked up. Yeah, I should just turn it off because I need to configure it correctly. It's a good low. S&P. It's too funny. Oh yeah, so I was gonna look at order flow again. And I'm trying to like make my way over to Ada, see if like I can give you any tips. I think I cannot stream it. Nothing has really changed. 6,900's gotten a little bigger. Nothing's really changed since we looked at S&P order flow. Yeah, nothing really in like your heat maps or anything are looking too significant.
Started from the bottom, now my profits look colossal. Juicing on these trades, every win feels impossible. Used to have nothing, but that's old news. Now I'm sitting on the throne.
Oh, I guess we gotta look at those shorts. Yeah, that was pretty nice. A lot of those shorts closed. Yeah, most of the shorts really from, yeah, anybody that round tripped is closed out, and a lot of them closed out on that low. Yeah. Did we get a change of structure in spot? Almost. Almost. That's nice. Yeah, some of the shorts are closing. Yeah, and that's hidden. Looking good. Let's go, Daga. Market Monkey, yeah, I just had it up. It's pretty cool. Velo's pretty cool too. That's Market Monkey. They got heat maps. Yeah, and like their pro account has a bunch of additional things. It's crypto only. And then Velo's got some cool things on it too. Heat maps and like some different order flow things that I like to look at. Coinalyze has some cool things, but really I don't like clicking back and forth between everything all day long. So I'll like periodically check these other things, even like exo charts, but my eyes are mostly just on trading view and like S&P confluence, CME confluence, even if I'm trading altcoins and using the CoinWise tools. It's just like all in one place. It's easy. A lot of longs are trapped. A lot of longs are trapped. Yeah, from here. Which low is that? Yeah, it's not that bad. Some of them are back in like profit. None of them closed on that low though, which is insane. Yeah, that was this low. This low right here. So you could say that from right here, I wonder if it's gonna let me do this. So like pretty much right there. $172 million in longs are underwater just on those couple exchanges. VELO, Wandu. Heat maps is the main one. Velo's got funding rates, which is like a pretty nice one, and they have like a couple of like aggregated things. VELO. I don't know if it's at .ai. Just Google it. It might be I forget what they call it. Yeah, just Google it though. Any news on KIMBA, Chiga? Yeah, he showed a couple of his positions this week, but he hasn't come on yet. It's coming. I think he's trying to get things situated. This is net longs and net shorts by Coinwise! Exclamation Coinwise! This is longs and shorts. Visible range. It's nice that it's oh, I love this song. You need Pro for TPO? You don't need... Oh, wait, on, Andre, on Addis, you need Pro for TPO? Did they remove it? I might be grandfathered in with my old, my old thing. I never even updated ExoCharts since last year, because so many people were complaining about it. I just, like, kept it. But Addis makes you update. That's what I'm doing right now. 2 letters, 1 word, Curvies. Let's go. Hopefully this isn't like crash OBS. That was a mistake. See PPO on Market Monkey. Yeah, that's a pro account, and like Coinwise is a lot less expensive, and all these levels, all these lines that you see, like I got fucking everything on here, but I'm gonna hide levels, and you get volume and time levels without having to like learn how to read TPO charts. Yeah, turn that one off, and that one. Oh wait, that was the wrong one. This is TPO and volume value. On daily, you can set it to monthly, weekly, whatever you want. Your short missed by 2 pips? Yeah, well, were you trying to get the sweep? Wanda, you're, I don't think that it's done. I think it's gonna sweep. At least. This is a pretty strong candle. Yeah, we'll see on the 4 hour. We need to change structure, obviously. So holding this and like failing. We start closing below point of control. And volume and time point of controls are in, like, you got confluence. They're pretty well correlated. 2 letters, 1 word is yeah. It's how KIMBA used to always start off his intros. So he'd be like, 2 letters, 1 word, the meaning of life. Yeah. I can't even do it. Like, you gotta watch it on the rewinds. Exclamation YouTube for 3 years of that. The talent show do come up. They do. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to like do this Addis thing later. Yeah, ask me next week. We're gonna do a CPI stream. We'll get juicing. You guys want to hear talent shows? We were listening to it last week a lot. Yeah, but you got exclamation talent show. We have a oh, on the live stream, like when we're not on. No, they save it for the viewing parties and for like the streamers sometimes to like rotate in every once in a while. Season 1. Let's see here. Who did I see in here today?
better time to vibe with the KIMBA gang. Ain't no better chart than the one that's here right now.
I think I saw JV in here this morning.
Useless lines, reckless lights hit the stage. Juice in the charts, lines break out the cage. Juice in my soul, juice all on repeat.
There's like 75 songs in here. So, yeah, look at that.
Talent on display, whole fam in the seats. Every bar, every trade, that's Alliance heartbeat. We roar on the stream, we roar on the ground.
I gotta minimize these just so I can see the CVD. Yeah, it's gonna invalidate that CVD bearish. This is a good song, JV.
I was lost in the charts trying to figure my lane. Every candle looked the same, driving me insane. Sleepless nights on the grind, chasing profit in vain. Didn't know about the risk, only felt the pain. Didn't trust all the noise, every voice sounded
In the CoinWise aggregate, this is all. Oh wait, it should be all. Yeah. It reset. USDT, USD, Deribit, Coinbase, even futures. Yeah, a lot of the big ones, they don't have Bybit. Oh wait, they do have Bybit. Never mind. Which one? They don't have Bit yet. And there's like one other one. But a lot of the big ones that have been here for a while, they even have BitMEX. Yeah, you see, it was like already showing it all because this is spot right here. It was like automatically showing it. BTC all chart. BTC dominance. Yeah, let's look at open interest on BTC dominance. It's like a calculation.
Take the partials off early, let the rest of it run. Don't marry to the trade, it was never the one. KIMBA gang in my blood, where the vision began.
I mean, it's really high still. We were doing some fun things with this a few weeks ago. It doesn't look that great, but it is. I'm in the daily. I don't know why it does it like that. Total. I like totals. Holding strong above 3 trillion. This is outside of Bitcoin. Total 2. Yeah, and since we're doing this and we got a couple of minutes, what I was talking about earlier was looking at some of these who is this? Shout out Scaff. Yeah, close the gap. Close the gap on some of the ETFs. Okay, still got a little bit to go before we close the upper gap, but there was your gap up on the yearly. And we'll just go through them. Yeah, close this one. So this is the Bitcoin ETFs. I was looking at them a lot yesterday and the day before. Closing gaps. Wisdom tree, no, but I mean it's not that big of a one anyway. And mining. Yeah, just about everything on the ETFs. You still got one on here, but CoinShares mining. This one, well, that's treasuries. Grayscale, close the gap. Everything. Coinbase. Still have a gap below. Bad highs. Yeah, bad highs locally, bad highs up here. Relatively bad. Holding that, trading in the gap, coming back out, pretty good. Yeah, start trading back down here again, probably close that gap down to 200. And then we were looking at higher time frame even before that. Yeah, I don't want to go through all of it. Let's see some shit coins. Super quick 15-second TA. Doge, I mean, not great. But you got a clean, not a great low. Not a great low. Failed auction below. If you get that October candle back above 15 and maybe close the weekly back above it, things will look better. Bro, I don't know, man. Sui. That's pretty nice to change structure. It's trying to hold this. These motherfuckers won't fill me. I had like orders like down in here. Yeah. But they've been sitting there forever. Hype, if you're getting back above 25, that's good. If you want it back above 30, yeah, this was our level on hype. Yeah, you see, like I just drew it by eye, like super fast, and you see like that's the level that we were talking about forever. Yeah, and we like fail auction, held it, and then turned into resistance. You need to break it back above that for higher. Otherwise, probably that thing from October is fair game. And probably the next level is somewhere around here if we lose that. Zcash, we're right at 420, brothers and sisters. ICP, okay. Well, we're already on like Dino coins, so why not? Yeah, 290 set, like below that maybe, but you're getting some good buyback here. Let's see what the daily close is. If we close above like that, above the 450, I think, somewhere around there. Somewhere around here. And I'm not going, I was looking on the left side on structure, not at the number. It just so happens to be like that. And from our breakout, that's the impulse. And you see, almost completed the rotation. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, close down here. Not looking as good. Honestly, I'm not like super enthusiastic about Zcash now after that whole run. But look at that. Anchor VWAP, pretty nice. Okay, what did you want to look at? I forgot. B&B, like, back in our zone. Like, look at that. Holy shit. That's so clean. Yeah, bad highs right here. Get above this, probably make another push for the high. At least to this zone in the 1075 area. Like, somewhere around here. That is very, very cowboy drawn. Wait, what was I gonna like? ICP? Yeah, okay, that's the last one. We're gonna get back to the normal charts. I mean, we actually planned for this. and, when it was doing this push, and we were like, it needs to bounce off of this. Now it lost it. Now it lost it. I don't know, man. Yeah, it swept everything on that October candle. You need to get above this first and foremost. You need to get above like this level through here and turn that into support. Yeah, it's looking like maybe it's trying to turn this like microstructure level, and it's, I mean, it's still a daily chart. It's trying to turn this into support, but it's like, dude, you had that run and it sucked up all that liquidity at the same time Zcash was doing that shit, and I mean, that might have been it, dude. That's a selling channel though, and pretty close to like your bullish retest on that, so maybe. Is that a higher high on the daily? No. You need to make a higher high on the daily. You need to make a higher high. Because you got a higher low. 7 minutes till the 4 hour. Yeah, we're gonna be wrapping it up. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's on daily. Yeah, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I wouldn't market smash right now. Yeah, some interesting ideas is if you get a close up here above value, maybe like above this, that you kind of like wait and see where it goes, pull some fibs, look at the value areas, and then maybe you get like a retest. If you get a swing fail somewhere and start tucking back in this area, and I don't even need anything else for this.
Records, story in the making. Lying in the jungle,
come on.
Started with the pencil, turned the scribbles into payment. Now it's KIMBA gang world.
30 minutes. Is that a 30-minute candle? This is a 4-hour candle. What the fuck's going on? Jesus. I like this song. They shout me out in it. Let's go, Shays. You're listening to Day Trading Raps. Yeah, it's community music. This is made by the community. We got some cool songs in here. Oh my god. Yeah, welcome. Gotta get the fuck out of here. Oh, like hijack my whole system. Let's go 4780. Yeah, so get a higher high. You kind of want to hold structure value area high. Like this is without even any of the CoinWise indicators, just like going as simple as possible. If it tucks back in though, and especially if it tucks back into value, like here, I would be a little bit more worried, but maybe still looking around. Point of control value area low. It's a good low. It's a good low, and it's a good strong reaction. You have a decent invalidation area and a lot of thin air below it. I'm not calling that a short. I'm saying if it tucks back in, there is more argument to be made for a short. Yeah, but it's not looking too shorty yet. If it fails right here and just rolls over, and then we get like this, see how it like comes into the lows, or see if that point of control does anything. You might like off a VWAP or point of control get a little reaction. Yeah, it might just like bounce, but if they drain it through the rest of the day, we need to see what S&P and everything is doing. Let's go, Baratina. How we doing? Crypto Cove and Alpha Drop. How we doing, Decaflex? Happy New Year. Yeah, Coke Zero. I don't see that really. I mean, look at this CME candle. That's juice. You still got your head on a swivel around here, though. That's juice. Yeah, we've seen this plenty. We've seen that plenty. Great to see you, Baratina. You came in. Yeah, thanks so much. Yeah, one of them came in this morning, and we're just showing everybody her turtles. Yeah, she's my whole world, though, man. Yeah, I'll talk about that all the time. Let's go, Manaka. 6 months of tier 1 to Manaka? Oh my god. He juicing. You gotta thank Anonymous Gifter. Let's go. Let's go, Baratina. Shout out to Anonymous Gifter. Shout out to Manaka. Juicing on subs. 6 months. That is juice. Hey, y'all know you can give CoinWise stuff too. That's pretty cool. Exclamation merch. And shout out to Biffin. Biffin was juicing. Shout out to Coke Zero, all the gifting that he did today. He's juicing the fuck up. Sharing the love. Love you, Lions. Charlix juice. Yeah, I mean, these candles are fucking nice, dude. About to close this gap. Probably. Definitely testing settlement in a second. ES. Once again, Bitcoin overreacting. It's kind of like the point of risk on assets, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, if it goes there, I don't know. Make a higher high. We did make a higher high. I think a lot of people are kind of looking at this area. 88, 89 for over a year has been pretty important. Trump talking, pushing stocks. He's just so pumped on like everything. We have the close. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see this candle. That's your daily. Yeah, that's nice. Engulfing. Engulfed it.
Useless lines, records, lights hit the stage. Juice in the charts, lines break out the cage. Juice
Pretty
in my
nice.
soul, juice all on replay. Juice full
Yeah, I
of
need to
weight,
hold
juice in my
this.
self-made. Talent on display, whole fam in the seats, every bar, every trade. That's a line's heartbeat. We roar
We need
on
to
the
hold
stream,
that.
we roar on the grind, we roar through the jungle, the crown we define. Juicing up,
That holds
Kimba
in.
gang worldwide. Useless lines. Came from the bottom, now we on the rise. Vision so sharp, got the fire in my eyes.
Ideally, it holds the high, or like right here, like 94.20.
We break the chains, yeah, we breaking the locks. Stacking our wins like we stacking
And that's an
the
old
stocks.
level.
Every code cracked, every signal decoded. Dreams in motion, my spirit reloaded.
Yeah, we had that for a while.
Hey, I'm paying the dues. Never gon' fold, 'cause we never gon' lose. This is the moment, I know what I'm
And if I could turn all this stuff off, then it looks like a bullish retest.
sound from the ground to the stage. Kimba family breaking out of the cage. Nothing can
Even just with air, it looks more like one.
we can't do it alone. I found Kimba. I found my flame. Kimba family. Remember the name.
Like, that looks like our resistance level that we finally broke from, came back up and retested it. Now we just need to hold. I think another 4-hour candle closing up here will go a long way to defending that thesis. And what I'm thinking about is not just the positions that a lot of people took just now, but also for higher. For higher. I want to see this one not be resistance. Right there. That.
Breaking the mold, future is ours, gotta watch it unfold. We shoot for the stars, yeah, we aim and we go. Kimba family, we ready to blow. Together we strong, together we rise. Faith in the grind, it's all in our eyes. Every head's ready to fire, won't fade. Legacy built on the moves that we made. I found Kimba, I found my flame. Kimba
So eyes on that.
remember the name. We rise
Eyes on our levels and everything.
we aim for the top with our hedges CVD. Oh, our levels don't stop.
Our hedges CVD, our levels.
Breaking the chain. Power inside, running deep in my veins.
But Lions, I gotta go. Yeah, I got some things to do. I'm back in IRL. Yeah, there's nothing bearish. But the top longers, that's the only thing that's like not super bullish. Yeah, structure is nice. You bounced at a good level. We had a good reaction off of the swing fail below. There is more liquidity below. There's bad lows below, but like, leave them. Leave them behind. That's right, Baratina. Nitrogen. I don't know what that says, but did you say short? No, he's long it, dude. I'm sure he's got a head short from 94.6 or something. Let's go Karoon. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let's go Bravo. Let's go Namgod. Yeah, dog man. Yeah. Yeah, let's go Coke Zero for sure. Big cheers, Ludo. Jedi's Kirk. You shorted the SFP? There you go. It wasn't really a SFP though. Because it closed above. Yeah, it's called a considerable SFP. You got the, and that wasn't a sweep though. Yeah, so definitely manage your risk on that one. You gotta keep your head on a swivel. This is profit taking. See the longs? Of the session open. Yeah, there you go. True. True. And at some point we're gonna get into like quarters. Yeah, it's juicy. We're outside of value though. We closed outside of value. So head on a swivel. It sounds like you know what you're doing. Best of luck. I'm rooting for you. Shout outs to you, Tita Poco. Best of luck with you. This is CoinWise what I'm using right now. Yeah, it's CoinWise suite of indicators. Exclamation CoinWise. Shout outs CoinWise. Shout outs to the dashboard, exclamation dashboard. All the tools. Exchanges. You can register for giveaways and trading competitions. 10K in trading potential prizes on BLOFIN, exclamation KOJ. Check out the pin at the top. Let's go with the space trading competition, exclamation merch, exclamation giveaways, exclamation dashboard. For the entire stream schedule, we got a talent show later today. It's going to be juicy. I think there's going to be another stream tomorrow. After tomorrow, you know what it is. It's the weekend. After the weekend, we got CPI on Tuesday. We'll be here bright and early. We'll be here before. Yeah, keep an eye on the dashboard for the schedule. Keep an eye on the Discord for potential KIMBA streams. Who knows when that's coming? But you gotta see it here. You gotta be here also. Yeah, it just like popped up on mine. I didn't even know about that. I was like, oh, that's juice. And Coke Zero was like, yo. I remember that. You remember that, Coke? Shout out to Coke Zero. Thank you for the gift subs. Let's go, Biffum. Much love, brother. Shout outs to you. Shout outs Calling Noob. Shout outs Rodgelicious. Big cheers, y'all. Shout outs Checkster. Thank you to the whole team. Curvies, Damon. I don't know what I did. What the fuck? Well, I gotta shout everybody out. There we go. Yeah, shout outs to Andre. Shout outs TDW. Good luck. Mark. Let's go. Shout outs PSG. I19, Latisse, Damon, shouts PSG, Natero, Petrust, Wanda, Ludo, Karoon, Jedi's Kirk, Cappy V, Baratina. Hope you all have a great Thursday, great rest of your week, good weekend. Juice up. If you don't use a stop loss, I'm gonna slap this shit at ya. Let's go, Chad Superstar. Have a great day. You also. Jackster. Yeah, it's a 14-day free trial. You give it a shot, Andre. You might even juice up enough to be able to pay for it. They do giveaways on that too. Let's go, Maestro. Maestro 618 juicing on CoinWise giveaway. He was already a sub, and he stacking his stacks, just like PSG should be. Yeah, come check out the Discord too, Andre. Shishabui, let's go. Hannah Montana, for Edward. Chab Superstar, exclamation dashboard. Check out the exchanges. Check out the trading competition. Check out exclamation CoinWise and check out the merch. Let's juice. Shouts lines to Laquania. Shouts Bergix. Patchcos. Andre. Happy 420. Fredward. Hannah Montana. Alright, y'all. Have a great day. Much love. Much love. Hey, cheers.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order.